Happy Tuesday, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Says Nathonia. I am Nathonia. I just want to show you this bird, and I'm looking at you guys. If this is your first time here, I hope you will take a moment to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and become part of our friendship community. We're walking. Can somebody tell me what the name of this bird is? I can't zoom in any further. Let's see. But he's tall, got a long neck. Please leave it in the description in the comment section. I really appreciate it. See? Have a nice Tuesday. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.